Hello, welcome back kids. And in this new video, we are going to learn something special, that is a Janmashtami drawing. As Janmashtami is near the corner, so we are going to make a simple Janmashtami sketch. And for that, we are going to make a flute and a butter pot and one morpang. So let's get started. First, pick up your scale. And with the help of a scale, we will make a flute, basuri. So this way, keeping your scale little slant and draw our lines. And similarly, parallel to this line, one more line, just parallel. आपको एक और line खींचना है, like this, the bottom. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to give a flute shape like this, and at the bottom just a little curve. After this, I will make two lines here and the circle, then some circles here as you had seen in the flute, and then I'm going to add some lines here, then one more circle and a lines like this. Our flute is done, and here a thread with some beads like this. So once the flute is done, the next step is to make a pot. So for the pot, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a little circle like this. Okay. And with this circle, so this way our two pots will be done. And then on the top of it, going to give a shape, and then you can make it little dark. Once the circle are done, you can make dark. And similarly here. Okay, now on the top of it, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give a shape of a butter. So this way, and similarly here, like this. After this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make two lines in the circle like this, and then at the bottom, two lines like this. So here I will make triangle. Now you can draw any pattern, any shape as you want. You just decorate your pots as you want. Okay. I'm just giving you idea how to decorate. So you just use your creativity, your imagination, and then some be here like this, and then around here. So once this is done, the pots are done, the flute is done, the last part is to draw a morpang. For that, what I'm going to do, I will randomly make some leaves like this, some going up, some going down, some left, some right. So this way you have to keep on making, and same way start with this. So here like this, so going up, so this way, and then you have to make a line in the center and a shape like this. Okay. Now once you draw the shape inside the morpang, then you have to cover it with the same pattern. So here our morpang is all done. Okay. After this, the next step is to outline the sketch work. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick my black marker, and with the help of this marker, I'm going to cover all my pencil lines with the black sketch pen or marker. So once like this, going very slowly and covering all the lines. So here I am done with the outline, and now the next step is to fill colors inside the artwork. So what I am going to do, first I am going to fill color inside the flute, and to give the real effect I am picking my brown shade wax crayon and cover the whole flute with this crayon. Like this, I had done the brown, and on the top of brown I am going to give a little shade with a light yellow crayon. I am not going to fill completely, but a little shading effect. So this way the yellow effect. After this, what I am going to do, I am going to fill color in the more punk. So for this I had picked my sketch pens and colored the more punk like this. So this way you have to color in the whole pattern, leaving the shape of the middle one. Very slowly going down. Here the leaves are done, as you can see, and then with some orange in the center part, and similarly some blue in this part. Now the more punk is all done. After this, I'm going to fill color in the earthen pot, is matke mein. So what I'm going to do, now you can choose your favorite colors. I'm making it little vibrant because it's a festive season and we are making a drawing for festival. So I'm making it little colorful. This done with the pink. Now with some orange in the bottom. So this way, and here it's done. After this, with the light green shade, I'm going to fill these lines of the pot, and after this I will pick brown shade, a little darker brown, and cover the top part of the pots. Now here you can even fill orange, any shade, camel color. So this way it's done. And last but not least, with the help of little blue, give the shading. I'm not going to fill it completely, just give a little shade of blue on the butter like this. Okay, so here it's done. Now I will add some circles here on the pot like this, and here my artwork is complete. So I'm going to write at the bottom, I learned it on KidsNagri. So here our Janmashtami artwork is done. So kids, happy Janmashtami once again. Keep drawing, keep sketching, keep coloring, and show your creativity. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next video.